Get ready with me habang pinapakilala ko ang aking sarili. So, simulan na nga natin sa aking pangalan. My name is Red Crisanta F. Nicasio. I am the oldest sa aming magkakapatid. I am 20 years old, guys. Pinanganak ako sa Quezon City. Ako ay may disorder sa pag-iisip. I have bipolar 2 and BPD disorder. Mahilig po akong sumayaw. At kumain. What I like about me is that at most, I try to be positive. What I like about me is that I like to socialize with people. Yes, I am very extrovert person. So, kita nyo naman po, nahilig ko mag-makeup. I like to explore when it comes to makeup. Instead of dancing, for me, ito talaga yung art ko. Kasi yung dancing, minsan ko lang naman siya gawin. Pero yung makeup, like, gusto ko talaga na nag-makeup. Dami kong makeup na pinag-display, ganun. Right now, I'm doing my everyday makeup look for this introduction. Blush blindness, to everyone that knows me, ako ay matakaw. Yung ganun na pakiramdam, yung cravings ko, nasa-satisfy, ganun. Gagamitin ko lang itong from Careline. Ngayon, I also like to do contents. Gusto ko yung gumagawa ako ng video. Videoan ko yung sarili ko na nag-makeup. Kaya, ito yung naisipan ko na video introduction dahil I also like to do content. I have 2 lip products here that are my favorites. Pero, gagamitin ko itong from O2O. Bigay sa akin ng tita ko nung Pasko, guys. Kaya, ganyan yung color niya. Ayan. Ganyan lang yung aking makeup for everyday look. Everyday chanaran. Ganon. Pag nagmamadali, tapos kailangan ko na mag-makeup. Go! Eto na yun.